Let's take a tour of an inside cabin aboard the Celebrity Summit. Now, this specific cabin is cabin 3086, located on deck 3, and it is right around the corner from the Grand Foyer, which I thought was a fantastic location.
All right, coming in, here's a quick room tour. I really do like the room here. It is wildly different from what the hallway looks like. The hallway is like brown and beige, and in here it's very bright, modern, and gray. I really like it. Right when you come in, there is the closet over here. On one side, you got some hanging area and a mirror. On this side, you got some shelves and more hanging space. And then you kind of have this open air storage situation. You got some drawers down there, mini fridge, some more cubbies, and a safe up there. And then you got this really cool desk vanity mirror area. Coming around, you do have your bed, which can be split into 2. And then on either side of the bed, you do have outlets, which is really nice. 2 US plugs and then 2 USB plugs, which you don't find on all ships, especially an older one like this one. You have a nice oversized couch chair area, flat screen TV, and then last but not least, you do have your bathroom, which is really nice as well. Got lots of storage, and then the shower over here does look nice and roomy, and included on Celebrity, you have body wash, conditioner, and shampoo.